Well, back at her, I guess, eh? Back at her. Here we have before you, laid before you, my 20, what year model is this? I don't know, 2018, 2019. It's actually been played very little, but it's a terrific guitar. It's a pretty sexy little Junior, but I banged it. I banged it, and it's like it's so mint otherwise, and it's just such a tragedy. And I had intended to just leave it and just accept that this was the first mark on it. But, you know, part of me has always wanted to fix it. And so without further ado, what we're going to do, friends, we're going to take some tobacco brown, lacquer, some lacquer, and we're going to try and just spray paint in that little spot. I'm going to take this cutesy little tape that I bought specifically for taping off lines that will not bleed. This is like $8 a roll, and this is so I can get a very nice, beautifully fine line around what I'm doing. I should have brought my reading glasses down here because in the time that we've been away, I have become a very old man. In the time that we've been away, which means my eyesight is poo-poo. I now need reading glasses. Okay, we're back. We've got our little spickety spot there. I've got paint prepare to hopefully decontaminate the area to avoid any unwanted reaction. So we got tobacco brown, nitrocellulose lacquer. There. Now I'm going to cover it. Okay, so we're back. Day 2. I've sprayed 7 or 8 or 10, I lost track, coats of the tobacco brown. And I think it's about the right color. So I did a little test with some of my super glue to make sure that it doesn't blush. Doesn't. There is a deep hole right there. So all I want to do is put just a tiny little drop of super glue in there to fill that little valley. So I'm just using thick super glue. I am trying to put just the littlest bit in there. So I want to fill that little cavity. Okay, we're back. It's day 3. I got my little Sandy McGillicuddy here. And we're gonna okay, we've come to the dumbest portion of this repair video in my estimation, with a little bit of the tobacco brown, because you got a few little white spots there. I don't know. It's pretty runny. It's pretty runny. But hey, we can always sand it off, right? So I really just want to lightly camouflage the area. I'm just going to brush on a couple of coats. Alright friends, we are back. It is, I think, day 6. It's Saturday now. I waited a couple of days for this cutesy little lacquer I brushed on to dry. And now I'm going to try to sand it kind of flat and hopefully call this done. Okay, we're back with the polish. I'm doing this by hand. This is the Extreme Cutting Compound. Okay, a little bit of fine polish. There we go. That's it. It's finished. As good as it's gonna get. Where are you? It's right there. Just barely see it, but from there, you cannot. From here, you cannot. Okay, what do you think? Would you pay somebody for that repair?